Introducing HumanBot AI. Far from being just another shiny object, it's the dynamic evolution of chatbots. Forget about those run-of-the-mill ChatGPT variations. We're talking about a chatbot on steroids here. Imagine having the power to mold your very own AI companion. With HumanBot AI, the game changes completely. The spotlight is on you and your data. No more one-size-fits-all solutions. When your data is uploaded, whether it's from website URLs, juicy PDFs, robust knowledge bases, or even good old documents, the magic happens. The result? A virtual agent that's not just aligned with your brand, but practically a part of it. Now, picture this. Your customers engaging in conversations that feel like a warm, familiar embrace. Questions met with answers that resonate with your brand's soul. That's the power of HumanBot AI, where your data meets a personality that's uniquely yours. Imagine a world where your website's visitors feel an instant connection, like they're chatting with a close friend. That's the magic of HumanBot AI. Today, we're diving into some of the incredible capabilities this AI marvel brings to the table by providing it your very own data. Number 1. First up, let's talk about data-trained AI chat. Instead of relying on generic responses, HumanBot takes things up a notch. When your business-specific queries roll in, the AI taps into a treasure trove of client-specific data. Imagine the impact when your customers receive personalized, human-like answers that truly resonate with your brand. Number 2. But wait, there's more. Brace yourselves for real-time voice chat with AI humans. Picture this. A visitor lands on your website, and just like that, they're engaged in a live voice conversation. It's like having a team of multilingual AI assistants at your service, breaking language barriers and making everyone feel right at home. What's the secret sauce behind these innovations? It's all about crafting an experience that leaves a lasting impression. Number 3. Meet the AI Chat Funnel Builder. This game-changing tool empowers you to create dynamic chat trees that evolve alongside your customer's exploration. No more static web pages. Say hello to a personalized adventure. And guess what? Our friend HumanBot is here to help you craft these incredible chats that are more engaging than ever before. Picture this. Your customer lands on your page, curious and full of questions. Instead of them having to scroll endlessly or search for answers, your AI-powered chat steps up to the plate. It interacts, answers queries, helps with decisions, and even dishes out rewards, all in real time. It's like having a virtual assistant that's available 24/7. Oh, but that's not all. Calling all e-commerce wizards, this one's for you. The AI Chat Funnel Builder is your secret weapon to skyrocketing sales. It's tailor-made for online stores, enhancing the shopping experience like never before. Customers won't just buy products. They'll enjoy a conversation that guides them through their purchase journey. How cool is that? Number 4, and here's the real magic: keyword-triggered chat responses. Buckle up, because we're taking this to the next level. Imagine having an AI system that instantly fires back accurate responses based on unlimited keywords. It's like having a super smart parrot that speaks your customer's language fluently. Just plug in those business-specific keywords and let HumanBot work its magic. No more waiting, no more confusion, just swift and precise interactions. Number 5. Picture this. You're running an online store, and you've got this amazing integration with Zapier. Well, guess what? Your business is about to get a major boost. Imagine having a digital sidekick. Let's call it HumanBot AI. That's been taught the art of smoothly gathering all that precious customer info and effortlessly zapping it over to any platform you desire. How awesome does that sound? Number 6. And hold on to your hats, because that's not all. We're talking analytics and data, the holy grail of making your business smarter and sharper. Here's the scoop. Every single one of your clients will be able to supercharge their revenue and skyrocket their ROI. How? With the power of HumanBot AI, of course. No need to sweat over changing data on your clients' websites. With a quick tap from the comfort of your own home, you can rescan their sites right from your HumanBot AI dashboard. Voila! The chatbot instantly updates itself with the freshest info straight from the website. Number 7. All right, folks, imagine this. You've got visitors from all around the world on your website, each speaking a different language. Fret not. Introducing the mind-blowing feature that our AI guru has conjured up, Location Detect AI Auto-Translate. When a visitor lands on your page, these super smart chatbots automatically detect where they're from and, get this, translate the conversation into their local language. It's like having a universal translator for your website. Say goodbye to language barriers and hello to seamless communication. Number 8. But wait, there's more magic coming your way. Ever wished you could greet your customers like a long-lost friend, right from their first interaction? Buckle up, because our AI whiz has cracked the code with personalized chat automation. With a simple click, yes, you heard it right, just a click, your human bots can roll out the red carpet. Picture this, whether it's by name, location, phone number, or email, your chatbot gives customers that warm, personal touch they crave. It's like having your very own AI concierge service. Wow, just when you thought the possibilities were endless, you've now discovered a whole new dimension of AI potential. Training ChatGPT with your very own data is like giving wings to your creativity and ideas. The future of conversations is in your hands, and the best part? You're in control. So, fellow pioneers of innovation, don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Start crafting conversations that resonate, inspire, and captivate, all with the power of personalized AI. If you're ready to embark on this journey of limitless imagination, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's conquer the AI frontier together.